Here's what you're going to need. 2 slices of ham. That's thin slice ham. I'm going to cut it up, dice it up. Some garlic. I'm using about, 5 cloves. 2 mushrooms. I'm going to use a slice of that onion. 2 eggs. And I just got some pieces of used bell pepper right there that I'm going to use. And then 2 low carb tortilla shells. Gotta make it complete. Let's dig into these, shall we? These are so good. One of my favorites. I got trees down. I don't know. I think we got a lot of ash trees that are dead. That's that emerald ash borer came through here the last few years and just decimated any of the big trees I had. It's not a bush. No. Anyway, I've been cutting wood. And we got some more wood to cut and split. Thank you, Melissa. Missy sent me the special chicken. Yeah, it's actually called chicken shit, but it's really good stuff. Little mashed cauliflower with I got garlic and peppers, bell peppers, and mushroom, yeah, and cream cheese and butter, and then my stuffed mushrooms. This part of the video is brought to you by Big J. Yeah, he's the one that sent me this. I love sandalwood scent. Smells so good. But I tell you what, I've learned. I learned about taking showers in the RV. Whether you're in the truck camper or you're in the RV like this, the Jayco camper, you only got 8 gallons of water, 6 to 8 gallons depending on what unit you got, of hot water. So it doesn't last long. No. I get in, I get all wet, shut the water off, soap up real good, and rinse off real good. That's all there is to it, and it saves a lot on the water, especially in the wintertime when I'm hauling water in. I'm just now getting the water turned back on, so you know, but it doesn't matter. I still limited to what the hot water tank will hold. It doesn't recover that fast that you can take an hour-long shower. No, it doesn't work that way. Yeah. Whew. Smell much better. Ah, that was refreshing too. Thanks, Big J. This one's on you. I don't know if you can hear that or not. They're unloading a coal train. Over across the river. And it sounds like thunder. It sounds like a major thunderstorm. But it's not. It's just those train cars lagging through that hopper house.